That is interesting. Hello brothers, sisters, how y'all do? This is your boy Cookie with Sindaco and I'm back again. Yeah, but before we start, if this is your first time watching, kindly subscribe to the YouTube channel and turn notification bell so be notified when new video drops. Yeah, follow us on Facebook as well. So today I'm in Western Town or Western Region, yes, the Twin City, and I'm in Crawford, yeah, where they prepare FOMFOM, one of the favorite food in Takrady or in the fancy land. FOMFOM, yeah. Yeah, so this is our FOMFOM with fish and kaku. Yeah, okay. So FOMFOM is a local food or traditional food for the fancy people in Takrady or the Western region and also the Ahantas. It's a food made from corn or corn dough, and the process is very interesting. It's similar to benku, but it has its own process, and you love to watch it to the end. So we went to the backyard this morning to get our banana leaves, and that's what we'll be using to wrap the FOMFOM. Yeah, you can't call this benku because it's called FOMFOM. That's the local name. So after getting the fresh banana leaves, you have to wash them, but before we do that, we apply some heat to the leaves by placing them on top of fire, and this will also help kill the bacteria or germs that the leaves contain. It will also help soften the leaves so that you'll be able to wrap with the kenke very well. Yeah. So after all this process, that's where you'll be tearing them to pieces, then you clean them, you sprinkle a bit of water on top, then you clean them nicely. So after the corn has been grind, this is how it looks like. Yeah. So this corn dough without the skin, because the skin was peeled off before the grinding took place. So you first peel off the skin, then you soak it for a day or two before you grind it. So after grinding, this is how it looks like. And you first need to boil it. You boil half of it, just like making kenke. Yeah. So you boil half of it, then you mix it with the uncooked one or unboiled one. Yeah. Then inside your hot water. So basically it's just like making the fancy kenke or the kadokon, but the difference is this: the skin has been taken off. And okay, so you mix it or you mash it, you knead it. So this is our mixing pan. So you spread across like that. Yeah, so this has been on fire for like 30 minutes of boiling. So this is the basic and initial step of it. So I should mix everything together. Are you sure?
Yes, sir. Hey. Yeah, for Ama.
You like, oh wow. Yeah, so after mixing with the wooden ladle, now mix with the hand to make sure that the raw one mixes well with the boiled one. It's very hot inside, and she's really feeling the heat around the hand. Yeah, like the burning sensation is too much for her. And you have to do it like that, so you can't wait for it to get cold. No, you can't do it. You need to mix it when hot, so that you're able to blend the two together. Yeah. Because the corner of a sungudo. The corner of a sungudo. Okay. Yeah, but today she should have good. Okay, so we're about to add hot water to it, and in Ashua. Yes, we're about to add some water to it. Okay. So this makes the difference. Also been going. So this is our mixed dough. Yeah, so basically this the final stage of how the mixing is done, and yeah. So this is how the rolling is done, and this is a mixture of boiled and unboiled, yeah. So the two was mixed together, just like making fante, yeah, the kinky. So like that, then roll, make sure that you have hole inside so that the boiling and the water can pass through and boil inside as well. Wow. Yes, we are in the process of making the FOMFOM, and we are boiling some of it, yeah. So basically, she sells it, so she does it early in the morning, so that to be ready in the morning for consumption. But I softer now. I did the other one. Okay. Okay, you didn't know thing. Okay.
Yeah, and chin.
I will 2 types or than she woman in gym.
More one the mom way fire, also.
And sending dinner to me.
Some good to know.
Okay. I thought I did tomorrow. Okay. Nan's a phantom before mom.
What to tell you?
I don't know.
Ellison. I know to join ye. Terrible malpe.
I know. Okay. It's your today. I can't prepare now. I didn't go holding that kind of thing now, but just you soon will see. Okay.
No, you no more bad than a class night.
It's awesome. Wow. So this is basically like doing benku on the fire or on inside the pot, but this is the pounding process of it, like a different method altogether to make the FOMFOM. That's often FOMFOM.
Okay, where a brown way you.
The boy we are talking about FOMFOM.
Yeah, you FOMFOM is no so.
It's white on me mono.
Now say to the mala. No so white the mala now. I know what put on saying every day.
It can't be instead of double one, it can't be.
I can't be.
Nancy come home.
You so I can't, I know, over Cadell.
Okay, right, so okay.
Iswa.
Iswa different.
Inala Iswa one neck can oil. And even near the echo.
Okay. Auntie, or they you saw a basket do 3 times. Okay. Nancy, one day.
Bob on the moment.
Are there quite different feelings? You feel for Fifi, not okay. Okay, you want if I to the corner, it's to Mukase later. I can't jada can't know. I know obey your buffer. Okay.
Yeah, listen to them, I find the man.
So basically, this is the mode or the way you have to mold your corn dough so that the boiling can pass through the middle. Yeah. Until you obviously do for many minutes. Do that to Mrs.
It is you are no happy.
On check. Okay. That means you know it will take time. Okay.
Yes, so said this sooner. Uncle Chianca.
Okay.
They are just I don't touch me.
Wow. So you need to pound this so that it will not be you don't see any balls in it. Like it should be very smooth. And after you roll it like this, yeah. So water has been added. This is the 3rd time she's adding water to the corn, and or to the FOMFOM, put it that way, yeah. And I really like how Africans or Ghanaians are able to use different methods to create different kind of food, to give a different meanings and give different names to it. Wow. This West Side legacy. So you can tell from the texture, it's really soft and smooth as well. Yeah, I try. Wow. It's interesting. No, why they were done? Are they wafer? Side down now. Any experience now. But the same side down the wall has it's the other side of the wall. Wow. Aso. Yeah. Oh, aso. No, I shouldn't wait recently. Yeah, PTS was going to me. Peter in Cascos. Yo, what we have PTS to position about you. Now, I should know your friend Twin Tower. We are Pentagon. It's ready now. It's about 7 minutes out. It's on fire, and we're taking off the fire, the water from it. Yeah. So this kaku. I bet careful. So these things are options. You can choose to add anything that you want. Yeah. And because she sells it, she has this fish over here. And so this is how we garnish our salted what do you call it? Kako, yeah. So we have a stew over here, gravy, and yeah. So this goes with the FOMFOM. Hey, all the layers, so the question where you wow, interesting. And see, Obi Pachinama, no pay, so I know why you okay.
A bit of Chinam Takako.
Okay. You know, with me all them. So then you're moving. Wow. Yeah, so testing officer, this is my version of it. Boa boa. This mono vibes, it can be takradi. Yeah, the Twin City. Yeah. What's your name? Into enough for them. Yeah, so this is our FOMFOM with fish and kako. Yeah? Okay. It's about to do them. Hello, brothers, sisters. How are you doing? This is your boy Cookie with Sindaco. Yes, we are done with the FOMFOM. What do you make you? We are done with the FOMFOM and testing office. I need to test this. Anyway, as usual, I can't meet a crowd and without having this. Yeah? It's very true. Correction. That's it. Okay, so morning vibe, 9 o'clock in the morning. Very true. You don't have that, you don't feel that aftertaste, you know, like mostly when you eat etowa or beku, you have this aftertaste that you feel the corn thing inside the mouth, but this doesn't have that. And I understand why people are recommending me to or requesting me to do this food or this recipe. And I understand. My first time trying this food and it's dope. Yeah, mommy, what you want to say? 027 10 22 167. Yeah, so if you want food from correct one, Jack. This is not my form of kind of is when. Yeah. So if you're in Takrade or you want food to be brought to you in Accra, she can do that and give it to Bass. Yeah, about transportation or that, bro. Yeah, contact for correct FOMFOM. Nice food, done in a special way, good environment, hygienic. Yeah, yeah. So let me say again, Cookie with Sindaco for Shizm and Nizzle. I'm in the western side, Twin City, Second Takrade. I'm out.